Hi, my name is Maria and I am from the Philippine Islands. I am sharing with you videos of the different places within my country so that you will know as well the places that you're going to visit if in case you will drop by, and also to introduce to you our culture and the way we live. If in case I have the chance to travel outside my country, then I will also share with you those videos. And I hope you will subscribe and hit like if ever you enjoy this video. Thank you. I had been to a different birds sanctuary in the Philippines, my home country. Most of the birds are placed in a cage as visitors stared at them. Most of these birds are found at zoos. That was my first notion upon hearing the word birds land in Ancol Seaworld, Jakarta, Indonesia. I was ready to stare in different cages, their inclusive homes. To my surprise, the place is a little forest with birds walking in front of me. I haven't seen a single cage. They were free to fly and dominate their own territory. It was very calming. I feel I was walking with nature and see in my naked eyes God's beautiful creation. According to Ticket.com, Jakarta Birdland Ancol. Birdsland Ancol Seaworld in Jakarta is a unique and educational attraction located within the Ancol Dreamland complex in North Jakarta, Indonesia. Birdsland Ancol Seaworld is situated in North Jakarta within the Ancol Dreamland complex, which is a popular recreation area in the city. Birdsland at Ancol Seaworld is a conservation center dedicated to various bird species, including endangered ones. The facility provides an opportunity for visitors to learn about these birds, interact with them, and witness bird shows. Birdsland Ancol Seaworld plays a role in bird conservation and raising awareness about the importance of preserving biodiversity and natural habitats for various bird species. Let's go, and let us enjoy roaming around this beautiful scenery and see the birds fly for their freedom, the way we people on this earth crave the same.